सब्सक्राइब करो और घंटी दबाओ, नोटिफिकेशन आता।
Hello connections, are you ready to uncover a fun and practical web application today? Let's dive into day 28 and project 28 in my 30 days 30 project challenge where I bring you an. Today I am coming to a beautiful project. The project name is Age Calculator. This project is more than just numbers. It's an engaging way to explore how technology can simplify even the smallest details of our lives. With just your birth date, this tool calculates your age instantly using JavaScript's power to manipulate dates dynamically. It's user-friendly, interactive, and packed with learning opportunities for budding developers. Stay tuned for explaining of source code part. Coming to the first of all, I am explaining HTML part of the explanation. So I am taking first doc type of HTML can be specified HTML version. Currently we are using in the HTML version is 5, and I am taking off next HTML of language equals to English. That is converted into English language. Then take one head tag. Head tag can be converted into lot of methods. It is connections to link up with this method you can use. And I am taking off meta to care set of UTF-8 and meta of hypertext transfer protocol equivalent of the XUVA of compatible to content to the IE edge. And another meta tag inside of name equal to viewport and content can be width of device width and initial scale is 1.0. I am taking off title of my project name is age calculator to showing in the output in the browser tab. To I am taking off link can be relative of style sheet of hyperreference equal to style.css. Then after close the head tag, then take one body tag. To I am taking off break tag. I am writing a one small heading for my day 28 and project 28. I am taking an h1 tag to largest heading to showing a today day 28 and project 28. So I am writing this one. It can be printed in the center of the browser, and I am using container. I am inside of the HTML page, so body tag inside up I am align items can be center, so I am giving the total content will be come to the center of the browser. Like this way I am using this part of the uh, values and properties. I am inserting in the values in the CSS part of the explanation. I am explaining later that one. And then after div class of container, and take one hashtag in the container means this one. I have white background. uh, Inside of the that one I am take one heading of age calculator showing like this. Then take one form of container to id equal to age calculator, and div class I am taking inside of form group, and age calculator can be accessed through the css and javascript part to access through the html page. I'm explaining later that one. So div tag class equals to form group. Then I'm take off one label and input through the to giving a label of this one, enter your birth date. Then after one create one text box label through the input tag. Type goes to text, and id can be birth date, and placeholder is date of birth. The first one day of the month, and month and year. It can be required. Whenever I click the I didn't enter any type of input, it can be showing the error from the required method. Please fill out this field. So whenever I am giving the click this button, it will be automatically generate that birth date. Div class, after take one div class form group to take one button of type equals to button, and calculate age, and div close the div tag. Then after close the form tag. So it complete this one. I am after take one result container after completing below of the button tag of calculate age. Then after showing the like this, it is a button contain result container. ID can be I'm taking off a result container, and I'm taking another one div tag to class equals to result to ID result. It can be accessed through the CSS and JavaScript page. Then close the all the div tags and take one script tag to access giving a interactive with the HTML page. Then after close the body and HTML tag. These are the HTML part of the explanation. Then come to the CSS part of explanation. I am taking one universal selector can be giving a properties and values through the padding is a 0 and margin is 0. Font family is Helvetica and sans serif font family text, and body can be I am giving a background can be linear gradient of to right of our Indian flag colors orange, white and green. And after taking container of the selector, and width is a 600 pixel and margin is 100 pixel to auto, and background color is white, and padding is 20 pixel and border radius is 8 pixel, and box shadow is of silver color, and h1 tag of text align can be a center and the center of the browser of color of the text is text color. And I'm take one class of form group to margin bottom is a 20 pixel, and label can be I'm taking off for display is a block of display, and margin bottom can be I'm taking 5 pixel, and color is a black color and font weight is 600, and I'm taking one input type equals to text, and width can be 95%, and padding is input of text box is padding is 10 pixel. It is a spaces inside of the text box, and font size is 16 pixel of the font size like this way. And border radius means it is a rounded corners of the text box. Then take one button tag to calculate each, so showing like this. And I am taking a padding of 10 pixel of left and 20 pixel is right inside of the text box, and font size is a 16 pixel. A background color is I want to blue color, and border is none. I didn't take any border, and outline for the button tag, and border radius I am taking 4 pixel of rounded corners to giving that one. And color can be white color of the text inside the text color. Cursor is a pointer. Whenever I am clicking the button, it will be automatically change the hand shape symbol of the cursor pointer. And come to the result container part 1. I am taking display can be none. I didn't take any type of display. And margin, I am taking off margin inside of the container. I am taking 20 pixel of the margin, and background color can be I am taking white color, and padding is 20 pixel, and border radius is a 40 pixel, and box shadow is a of silver color of the inside of box shadow. And I'm taking off a class of result through the giving a margin top can be 10 pixel, and the result of the h3 of the text color can be light black color, and font size is 18 pixel, and margin bottom is 10 pixel. And class of paragraph tag to the give access through the HTML page, and font size is 15 pixel, and margin bottom is a 10 pixel. These are the CSS part of the explanation. Then come to the final part explanation is JavaScript explanation. So I am taking one function to the calculate age. I am already taking a function through the HTML page calculate age. So and after take off 6 data types of same to 6 take on 6 variables, and I'm taking up constant data type, and I'm taking a 6 variables. One is today and birth date input and birth date parts and birthday and birth month and birth year. So I'm giving a today means I am taking off new date method, and birth date input can be accessed through the birth date of the dog method is a document dot get element by id of birth date dot value, giving a input value for this one like this. And birth date parts can be birth date input, this one can be accessed through the birth date input dot split of hyphen, so showing like this. And constant dot birthday of can be accessed through the birthday parts of indexing starting with 0. And birth date month can be birthday parts can be accessed through the index is 1 minus 1. And birthday year can be birthday parts of 2 of index can be 2. Then after take one birth date of new date can be calling that methods birth year and birth month and birthday, this showing like this. And I'm printing that methods console using console dot log method of whatever I am giving a top one total. I'm using console dot log method can be print in the below of the container. So then after I'm taking one data type to giving a condition to is validate of date object dot prototype of true string call date equal is strict equal to object date and not equal to is none of date. I'm taking another one is validate to birth date. Whenever I'm giving a wrong method type, so it can be automatically giving a invalid date alert message invalid date format, please enter a valid date in a date and month and year format. Then after taking another one logic for a age, so I am taking a total 9 variables and 9 data types or same data types can be I'm taking of constant. So in this one I am taking a age in milliseconds and age in seconds and age in minutes and age in hours, age in dates, age in weeks and age in months and age in years. So this type of one, so I am taking age in milliseconds today minus of birth date and math. I'm using of one formula for age in seconds. I'm using math dot flow is a age in milliseconds by 1000. Then I'm taking off constants of age in minutes to the using a math function math dot floor of age in seconds by 60. And age in hours can be math dot floor is age in minutes by 60. And age in days is a math dot age in hours by 24. And age in weeks can be math dot floor is age in days by 7 total. That will, and after age in months is a math dot floor age in days by 30.436875. And months to the age in years is a math dot floor of age in days is 365.25. Then take off another one to data types to result container can be accessed, that one all above methods. Document dot get element by id of result container to showing a result to the result equals to document dot get element by id can be accessed through the html page. I am writing a result, and the result of inside of I am using html tags of in the javascript part of the explanation. I am taking a div tag to class result to item, so I am writing inside of the container. So I am taking one h3 tag age showing like this. Then after I am taking a paragraph to calling that variables age in years and age in months and age in days percentage divide by 30, and it is a divide by 12. And it is a not, no worry. And I am taking another one div class 2 result item h3, same these are the all this one age months and age in weeks, age in days, and age in hours, and age in minutes, and age in seconds. It is the all or same one. Take one div tag and h3 tag and one paragraph tag can be accessed through the that value dollar of inside a brace open of that whatever we using above one, the total one calling this one, this methods, this like this. Then uh, after that one result container can be style dot display is a one block type. See, like this way. These are the day 28 and project 28. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and stay connect with me. Stay tuned as I showcase how simple ideas can lead to impactful projects. Happy coding. Thank you.